Dragonfly count nearly doubles in Delhi, a surprising nature revival. In a remarkable turn of events, dragonfly numbers in Delhi have nearly doubled this year. Officials attribute this surge to the prolonged monsoon, lasting 3 months longer than usual. A recent survey recorded 8,630 dragonflies, a significant increase from last year's 4,540. Species diversity has decreased in some areas, but notable species like the wandering glider thrive. The ditch jewel dragonfly has also been sighted, showcasing the rich biodiversity of Delhi's parks. Stay updated on nature's wonders, subscribe to our channel for more.